All right, everybody, welcome to my mini garden, my very first harvest. I got some cucumbers right here we're going to take out and bring in the house and try them out. All right, let's start harvesting. One, two, three. Oh my goodness. Four, five cucumbers. Baby's ready, number 6. Okay, amazing. This baby right here look ready. Look at that. Oh, my cucumbers are really like calling me. This baby ready. This baby right here ready. Let's cut them again. This baby right here is ready. Oh my God. Look at all my cucumbers. This baby's ready too. This baby's ready. Oh, yeah, he's ready. Oh my goodness. Look at all my cucumbers, everybody. Look at what she did. Yes, she did. God did that. God did that. Let's see if any more is ready. Let's see if any more is ready. Look at these baby cucumbers right here. Look at these babies. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Oh, I got one. Woo, he look ready up under here. Oh, yeah, he ready. Let me clip him and take that baby. Ooh, woo, 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 woo. Check that out, everybody. My very first harvest. Let me see if there's any more ready to come out, and then I'm gonna take a few to work, give a few to my neighbors, and I'm gonna eat a few. Look at that big baby right there. He looked like he ready too. Oh, yeah, I think we're gonna take him. He's calling my name. Yeah, he looks ready. Yeah, he looks ready. I'll say he ready. He ready. Look at that. Look at that, everybody. We got cucumbers. Let's see if there's any more. Oh, goodness gracious. We definitely gonna have to give some away. I ain't gonna be able to. Ooh, look at these I just found. I'm gonna give these another week or so. But they almost ready. And let me see, because every time there goes another one. I'm gonna give him another week or so too. Oh man, it's just amazing how fast they're growing. Oh, there goes one. Oh, he's not ready though. See that baby? He's not ready. Oh, look at what I just found hiding. There we go, and he's ready. I'm gonna clip this baby. Oh my goodness. Amazing harvest. Amazing harvest. Look at this baby one over here hiding. He's too cute. He is too cute. Look at him over here hiding. He trying. He trying. Let's see. Oh, I see another one. Oh, yeah, that one's going to be a minute. He's not quite yet ready. Oh, there goes another one. Yep, it's not ready either. I'm going to give that another week or so. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Look at this one up under here. I didn't even see this one. Whew, I'm going to give that one another week or so, too. Oh. Oh. Oh, my goodness. There goes another one. All right, everybody. It's one thing we got. We got cucumbers. We ain't got nothing else, but we got cucumbers. Oh, man. A few of these I'm going to leave in here for another week or so. Look at that baby one. My bees are really pollinating out here. I tell you, boy, they are doing their work. They are going to town out here. Oh, look at that baby back there hiding. Oh, yeah, I think I'm going to give him another week. But he's almost mine. Oh, look at this baby right here. Ain't this something? I'm going to give him another week. He ain't quite yet ready. Uh-oh, I think I see one hiding. I think I see one hiding. Look at all this, man. Look at all this. I just want to say God said he will do it. And yes, he will. Yes, he will. Won't he do it? Yes, he will. Who did? God did. Won't he do it? Yes, he will. Oh. Oh my goodness, I got a whole bunch of baby ones popping out too. Whew. Goodness gracious. Well, I think I'm gonna stop for now and probably come out in a week or so. And these ones you see out here. Oh, wait a minute now. This baby look like he might be ready right now. Not next week, like right now. I think I'm gonna take him. Yeah. I think I'm gonna take this big dog right here. Yas. Oh my goodness. Now, take a look at my amazing harvest. Thank you all for watching, hanging in there with me while we make it through this harvest. We did it, everybody. I see a bug. I don't play with them bugs, man. Oh, look at this, everybody. Won't he do it? Yes, he will. Yes, he will. Look at what I just got out of my mini garden. Our very first harvest.